Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Warren County in southwestern Ohio, northwestern Clinton County in southwestern Ohio, southwestern Greene County, southeastern Montgomery County, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:29 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Kettering to Lebanon, moving east at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Dayton, Kettering, Beaver Creek, Mason, Xenia, Miamisburg, Lebanon, Springboro, Wilmington, Bellbrook, Moraine, Oakwood, West Carrollton, Waynesville, Marl, Wilberforce, Riverside, South Lebanon, New Jasper and Clarksville. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 71 in Ohio between mile markers 26 and 53. Interstate 75 in Ohio between mile markers 41 and 44, and between mile markers 51 and 52.